Guys, today I will show you some different kinds of corrosions which we see practically. So this is a pole. So this is showing some uniform kind of corrosion, right? So you can see corrosion all over the pole. So this is nothing but a uniform corrosion. So you can see it in everywhere. Here you can see three poles. One is showing your uniform corrosion all over this region, and the pole which is to the left hand side, it is not corroded, right? So this is right now it is not corroded, maybe because it is used of stainless steel, or the corrosion has not happened because some kind of coating is there. The right hand side, it is a painted one. So this may be of mild steel, it is not sure, but right now it is coated, so that's why there is no any corrosion. So that also depends on the life, like at what time all the poles were set up over here. So let us see some other poles. This is another electric pole. So if you see here, so it looks like it is a galvanized one. But what happens, there is some kind of coating we can do using the method of painting. We just paint it using this aluminium paint or aluminium silver paint. Some kind of paint is also available in the market. So through that we just do the painting, so it increases the life of the pole. Okay, so I will show some galvanized if I find. So right now I am not able to find it. So this is up to you, that try to find like what are the different kinds of protective methods which are used to protect an electric pole. So let's see what comments do I get. So this is the pole, you can see, right? So here I am trying to show you the electric poles as well as the lines. Okay, so you can see the lines which are there, so they do not get corroded. So what is the reason for that? Because these electric lines, the wires are made of aluminium. So if you go in the deep, so it is made up of basically aluminium in the outer core, and the inside what happens, we try to put steel so that it increases its strength. So for a high quality it should be made of totally aluminium, but to increase the strength we put some amount of iron inside of this core. Okay, so this is it. These two locations are also showing some kind of corrosion. So you see here, so here in the case this bolt is of stainless steel and the other part it is of low carbon, most probably, or the plain carbon. Okay, so the region of low carbon is getting corroded. Here it is made up of your low carbon, not the stainless steel, so it has been corroded. So other locations, like see, these are of SS, so these are not corroded. Okay, another example of galvanic corrosion is this. So you can see the middle one, it is showing not any kind of corrosion, and the washers which are placed over here, so washers are of this carbon steel, so it has got corroded with time. Okay, so this happens in majority of the cases, this happens. So you need to take care, like if you really don't want to have this corrosion, then the washer should have also have been used using this stainless steel. Okay.